everyone, welcome to the sizzling world of Cheesy Kebab Sizzler. If you are a foodie who loves to experiment with new recipes, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will be showing you how to prepare a mouth-watering and cheesy kebab sizzler that is sure to impress your taste buds. So get your aprons on, your taste buds ready, and let's get cooking. Take boneless chicken in a bowl. Add salt in it. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, some garam masala powder, white pepper powder, chaat masala powder, and ginger and garlic paste. Add few green chilies, coriander leaves, some mint leaves. Add fried brown onions. Mix and marinate for at least 2 hours. Marination is done. Add the kebab mixture in the grinder. Close the lid and grind it properly. Chicken mix is ready. Take a bread slice, dip it in the water. Squeeze all the excess water from the bread. Now add it in the kebab mix. Grind it again. Kebab mix is ready. Take it out. Apply some oil on your palm. Take out the small portion of kebab. Make a shape like this. All the kebabs are ready. Please keep it aside. Let's prepare the white sauce. Take butter in a kadhai. Melt it on a low flame. Add crushed garlic. Saute for 30 seconds on low heat. Add milk in it, red chili sauce, pepper powder, mix and bring it to boil. Take corn flour, add milk in it, dissolve it completely. Add the cornflour slurry in the sauce. Stir it well to avoid lumps. Add salt. Mix well and close the heat. Deep fry the kebabs till light golden brown. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes on medium-high heat. Kebabs are nicely fried. Heat the sizzler plate. Keep all the kebabs on top of it. add grated cheese cubes on top. Pour the white sauce on top. Sprinkle some chopped coriander. Sizzler is ready. Enjoy! Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.